Capital Region International Airport, Eureka, Ovid, Fowler, Westphalia, Maple Rapids, Hubbardston, Eagle, Wacusta, Abrams Municipal Airport, Bath. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Eaton County. At 9:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Edgemont Park to Potterville to 6 miles east of Nashville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for central and northeast Eaton County. Hazard, 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Lansing, Charlotte, Eaton Rapids, Grand Ledge, Potterville, Edgemont Park, Colombo, Brookfield, Dimondale, Waverly, Gresham, Fitch H. Beach Airport, Skyview Estates Airport. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-81 in Onondaga, transmitting on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. The current time is 9:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.